Good morning, students. Today in this video we will learn money addition and subtraction. Okay, what we are going to learn today? Money addition and subtraction. So you see, add rupees 75.25 and rupees 37.50. Okay, so if the numbers are given in this form, for addition we have to arrange the number in columns. Okay, we will arrange the number in column. So we will write rupee in one and paise in the another column. Okay, so in this way we will arrange rupee ke niche rupee, paise ke niche paise, dot ke niche dot. So if you arrange the numbers in this form, it will be convenient for you to do addition or subtraction. Okay, so first we have arranged the number, then we will do the addition in the normal way. 5 plus 0, 5. 2 plus 5, we are getting 7. Then we will put down dot. Okay, then 5 plus 7 is 12. So we will write 2, carry 1. 7 plus 3, 10 plus 1, 11. So in this way we have completed the addition of money. Okay, so here two amount were given, two numbers were given. In case of three numbers also we will follow the same procedure. Okay, we will first arrange the numbers. Okay, arrange the given amount and then we will add. Okay, now for the subtraction. Children, this is very important because many of you do mistake in this only. Okay, addition is easy, so all of you know it. But in the case of subtraction, if the question is in this form, subtract rupee 57.20 paise from rupee 99.40 paise. Now, what you do? You simply write in this way, rupee 57.20 rupee 99.40 and then you do the subtraction. But this is totally wrong. Okay, this is totally wrong. Why? Because it is said you have to subtract this number from this. Means from this number we are going to reduce this number. इस नंबर से मुझे इसे माइनस करना है, सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. So from which जिस भी नंबर से okay, we have to subtract, we always write that number at the top. So here we are going to write rupees 99.40 at the top, because from this number only we are going to subtract 57.20. So first we will write rupees 99.40 minus rupees 57.20. Okay, and then we will do the subtraction as we do. 0 minus 0, 0. 4 minus 2, 2. Then we'll put down the dot. Then 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 5, 4. Okay. So in this way we will do the subtraction. Clear? If it is simply said that subtract, as in example number 4, you see, find the difference between 248 rupees 80 paise and rupees 129 and 55 paise, then we will simply write, okay, as it is given. But if it is said from, then always we will write this number at the top. In other way also you can keep it in mind that we always know that for subtraction we write bigger number at the top and smaller number at the bottom. So here which is the bigger number? Obviously 99.40. So we are going to write it in the top. Okay. So I hope it is clear to all, because you are doing subtraction from your junior classes only. Clear? So in this way you will do exercise 12.2 from number 1 to 4. Okay. All this you are going to do in your copy. Okay, now number 5. I am telling you how to do number 5. See, in number 5 it is said subtract the sum of rupees 48.81 and rupees 19.66 from rupees 90. Okay, it is said that you have to subtract the sum of these 2 rupees. Okay, this 2 amount from this one. So first what we will do, we will write the sum of, find the sum of rupees 48.81 and rupees 19.66. Okay, now this is the sum. So it is said subtract the sum of rupees itna and this much from rupees 90. So from rupees 90 means you will write rupees 90 at the top and the sum which we are getting by adding these 2 number. Okay, and then we will subtract. So on subtracting the amount 68 from 68.47 from rupees 90, we are getting rupees 21.53. Clear? So in this way only we will do number 8. Subtract the difference of rupees 80 and rupees 60. So what is the difference between question number 6 and 8? Here we have to subtract the sum. हमें इन दो नंबर्स का सम फाइंड करना था और फिर उस सम को हमें इससे सब्ट्रैक्ट करना था. बट यहाँ पे क्या बोला गया, व्हाट इज सेड हियर, दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड द डिफरेंस बिटवीन दिस 2 नंबर. Okay, 80 rupees and rupees 60.55 the difference find करना. Here we found the sum, but here we have to find the difference और उसी difference को हमें इस number से subtract करना है. Clear? So I hope you will do. So now next number 6, take away. Now take away means subtraction only. ठीक है, वहां से ले लेना, take away. Okay. So what we have to do here, take away 70 paise from rupees 5. Now children, the main thing that you have to note here is that till now we were doing addition or subtraction, whatever unit were same. You see rupees, okay, but here it is said that पैसे है और रुपी है, रुपी से हमें पैसे को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. फर्स्ट थिंग इज यूनिट इज ओनली नॉट सेम. तो हमें क्या करना होगा, वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट रुपीज 5 इंटू पैसे. ओके, व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, रुपीज 5 इंटू पैसे. सो रुपी 5 मीन्स हाउ मेनी पैसे चिल्ड्रन, 500 पैसे. We know this, rupee 5 means 500 paise. So up clear है, this is also in paise, this is also in paise. Okay, so we will write 500 paise subtract 70 paise. Okay, so 0 we will take carry 4, here 10, so 3 430 paise. Clear? So if your question is given in this form, then you have to convert the rupees into paise. Okay, we will convert 5 rupees into paise and then we can easily subtract. Clear? You see number 7 is also given in the same way. Subtract 55 paise from 13 rupees. It means you will first convert rupees 13 into paise and then you will subtract this 55 paise from it. Okay children, so I hope it is clear to all. Go through the video and complete your exercise. Okay children, thank you.